9:50 in the night, and I'm so excited to be riding after a long time tomorrow. I'm all done with the packing, so I'll be carrying so many things tomorrow. It's gonna be a 4 days ride, so which is why I'm carrying so many things, and everything is packed. So I just have to leave in the morning. So tomorrow we're planning to leave around 4 o'clock in the morning. So the meetup time is going to be 4 o'clock, and yeah, really excited. So I'll see you guys directly in the morning. Good morning everyone, I hope you're doing well and safe. Bike is all set, everything is packed up and it's looking absolutely nice. Let's crush the lemon. Finally, after 6 months, I'm going on a long ride. You don't know how excited I am. I'm so excited at this hour at 4:30 in the morning, man. Like I was just waiting for this day and I couldn't sleep the last night. You know, whenever we ride, you can't sleep when you know we're going to ride the next day. You know, the anxiety starts kicking in, and that's what happened last night as well. It's so good to be on the road. I'm already feeling good. Climate is chill and it's drizzling. Man, it's gonna be fun. I see the boys there. Yes, there you go. Everybody's reflecting. What's up, boys? Exactly. How the Joes, boys? All right, let's ride. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Monsoon Ride 2021. So we're running late by 1 hour. So the time exactly is 5 o'clock. Like I said, we wanted to start at 4, but you know, I was late and a couple of others were also late. I had issues with my top box, so I had to fix that, and it took a lot of time, but we're still okay. So we are heading towards the Tumkur road and take a left from Hiriyur. So till Hiriyur is going to be pure 3-lane highway, so we can cover majority distance on the national highway and save time. And once we enter the state highway, the pace is going to reduce. The first toll gate of the day. This is the Parle-G toll. It's funny how they call it because there's a Parle-G factory next to it. So this is also the highway that literally connects to Mumbai. It's also known as the Pune-Mumbai highway. So the first stop is going to be Jog Falls, and then hit Gokarna from Jog Falls. And this is my first time to Jog Falls, by the way. So yeah, I'm excited. First fuel break. Sucks. So we've been to DD Hills recently, which is also nearby. I think around 30 kilometers from here. So if you haven't caught that episode, I'm going to place a link somewhere here. Do check it out. The lineup that we have today. We're missing Sandy, is still behind. He'll probably reach in some time. This is probably the third toll gate, I believe. Breakfast. Okay, we have stopped here for breakfast. Hotel Sai Palace. Looks good. Our usual breakfast.
Guys, you're being recorded professionally.
Please be professional, guys. I'm recording.
In local language, it is called nasta.
Done with the breakfast. Back on the highway. So Shimoga is about 160 kilometers from here. There are different deviations from here, so we've chosen the best route. So I think another 20 or 10 kilometers the national highway is going to end. So probably we might enter the state highway. Done with the highway, so we're now on the state highway. So this road connects to Shimoga. So one thing about the state highways is scenic, as well as you need to be cautious when you're overtaking, and you need to watch out for crossovers. There'll be people crossing. There are multiple villages in between. Bro, this road is getting scenic and scenic as we are approaching. The roads are not that great, to be honest. When we chose this route, Google was showing some patches, and it's exactly how it is. But the road is scenic. Man, I think that's Vani Vilasa Sagar Dam. Yes. I don't know when to switch off the camera and when to switch on the camera. Look at that, man. Look at that view. So amazing. I think that is Vani Vilasa Sagar Dam. So we've done so far 200 kilometers from Bangalore and another 200 kilometers to Shimoga. So it's gonna take us another 2 hours from here, probably. The ride is going so far so good. Enjoying the landscapes as well as the scenic road. Done with some great photo shoot sessions. Take some amazing pictures. The location was amazing, so we thought let's click some pictures. So do follow me on Instagram to see some amazing pictures that I'll be posting. Man, look at this. I just saw this happened and I freaked out. 3 cars together, dude. Look at the amount of damage. Tappu bolero. Bolero tappu. Bolero ಏನು ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಕಾರ್ ಅಂತೂ bolero ಬಾಡಿ ಹಂಗಿದೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ. Look at the body, bro. Look at the damage.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಈ ಜಾಗ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಓಡಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದು ವೀಕಿಂದ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ದಿನ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್
ಇಲ್ಲ
ಇದೇ ಜಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಗೇಟ್ ವರ್ಗು.
Oh man, that was horrible. Like 3 cars, dude, just because of one car. That's the Bolero who just stopped out of nowhere. I just saw that happen because we had to take a ride from that road and I stopped for my friends, and then this guy out of nowhere just stopped the bike. I mean, sorry, the car. Ide channel. I got a subscriber. That chap just approached us randomly and he was asking us from where we are coming, and then he was started suggesting good hotels in Shimoga. So we're planning to have lunch in Shimoga. Shimoga is around 30 kilometers from here. We've reached the Shimoga town and started raining. Okay, so I'm having my butter naan and paneer masala. And look what these guys are doing. They're not letting me vlog and making me conscious, especially this guy. His Instagram ID is Vicky Vignesh.
Please don't follow me.
Please don't follow him. We are now exiting the Shimoga city and headed towards Jog Falls. Had a decent lunch. The lunch was good. Man, this road is so amazing, man. I didn't expect it would be like this. I think it's a forest, if I'm not wrong. Looks like a forest. We are almost approaching Jog Falls, another 5 kilometers I believe, and I can see a change in climate. Look at the fog. An immediate change in climate. This is nice. Trust me guys. I'm having fun, like real fun. The roads are so amazing from Shimoga till Jog Falls. You must definitely visit Jog Falls on road, maybe a bike trip or a car trip, to enjoy the scenic roads as well as the Jog Falls. This is what I was expecting for curvy roads. I miss this so much. It was exactly the same when I visited Kodaikanal. It was in fact more foggy than this. That was also amazing. Wow. Beautiful. What the ride. What that all 400 kilometers. It's exactly 400 kilometers. Can you see this? 400.7. Yes. We made it. Let me get down and enjoy this moment. It's so calm in here. This is so amazing, man. Trust me, it's worth all that hype. Look at those cloud cover. Oh, finally, welcome to Jog Falls, ladies and gentlemen. RT-PCR, so we'll have to show our RT-PCR test results. हाँ, रिजल्ट लेकिन सबका फोन में है. Let's go check out the beautiful Jog Falls. Damn. Look at this. Man, this is some insane level. It's worth all that hype and the videos that I've seen. So we wanted to check this place in my bucket list. So it's been a while that we had planned for this, but finally we were able to visit Jog Falls in this trip.